Let's add the numbers together. 25 plus 37 equals? 25 plus 37 equals 62. Let's subtract the numbers together. 95 to 47 equals? 95 minus 47 equals 48. Let's multiply the numbers together. 12 times 8 equals? 12 times 8 equals 96. Let's do division. 144 divided by 12 equals? 144 divided by 12 equals 12. What is 4 plus 50 divided by 5 equals? 4 plus 50 divided by 5 equals 14. Square of 5. 25. If one chocolate costs 5 rupees, how much for 48 chocolates? 48 times 5 equals 240 rupees. Wow, you did amazing today.